What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here we have a 15.6 inch laptop screen extender, you guys. I have reviewed at least like three of these. All right, my kids use them. They use it for gaming and chatting and all of this stuff. My wife uses hers, and now we have another one, and this one is built in battery. All right, you guys, so I did an unboxing on one of these monitors before from this brand. I will link it at the end of this video so you can see all the laptop extenders that we reviewed. Let's go ahead and do what we usually do. So this is what we usually do, so I don't have to edit, you guys. There you go with all the specs that you need to know. Right there, you see that? So you don't ask me no questions. Just kidding, you guys. Sense of humor. All right, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy. You get a nice piece of foam. You can save this if you're into crafting or something. All right, that's enough. And what do we have here? Oh, I'm already happy. You get a case, and of course you could use your book bag if you want to use your own personal book bag, but it's kind of cool to have a case with it. There goes our case right there, and our case do come with a pouch. Look how organized it is. But our main thing is this right here, the power bank. All right, and it has prongs right there. Don't know if you can see it. There you go, got prongs right there. I believe it's magnetic. I'm having fun with this one, you guys, because this one has a power bank. So it's fitted in there. All right. All right, so this is adjustable. So you have the black protector right here. All right, so if you want to close it, you have to open it some, and then slide it and then close it. Okay, got that. I'll get into the juicy stuff with y'all. All right, so we are on the back, and let's connect. It's magnetic. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, okay. So the kickstand was covering everything. Got power here, power here. I just hit the power button. Let me see, do I need to turn? I might need, oh, it says 80%. All right, so it has Type-C 1 and 2 with an arrow. Okay, y'all can see it, Type-C 1 and 2. And then if you look on the back of here, it says Type-C 1 and 2. All right, let's go ahead. Extend how it's supposed to extend. Now, the thing with my computer is a 14-inch computer, and this is a 15-inch monitor setup. I do have a bigger computer upstairs. My extender is all the way closed, and I actually have a good inch left. So it's a good inch left on there. So if you are buying this, make sure you get your size, okay? I'm just showing y'all that because I'm not going to hook it up to my laptop, all right? Well, I can't hook it up to this laptop, but this is my main laptop that I use on the daily. This is what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen. We are just going to hook it up, and I'm just going to show y'all hooking this thing up. You have your HDMI. You can hook up your monitor with your HDMI. You have your other cord right here, all right? And then you can hook up using your USB, and then it says right here, it says for product HDMI, or it gives you the arrow to what the power source this is supposed to go to. Even says it right here, it has an arrow on it. Me personally, I always hook up with my HDMI, but you may need your HDMI for streaming or something like that. When you're hooking up a capture card or something, then you can use your USB Type-C. But when it comes to this, and if you're out and about and all of that good stuff, then you can go ahead and just hook up your HDMI. So you got many ways to hook up HDMI. I'm gonna just hook up like this. And then we're gonna hook this up we just hooked this up to Type-C port 2. All right, so we have both monitors hooked up. So the beauty of this is that the power bank is standalone. So the power bank is hooked up to the monitors to make sure that are powering the monitors instead of your laptop battery. That is awesome. So if you want to use 2 monitors, you do have to hook up both of these USB-C cables. Hook up your laptop monitor. On a MacBook, you have to go to settings. Once you go to display, you'll see your monitors right there, and then you can arrange it. You can do whatever you want. So you could click arrange, and then you can click, like if you want to go left to your left monitor, you got SL right here. What you want to do is put SL on your left, and then you can have your mouse go to your left. All right. And then if you have SL on your right, you can click your mouse to go to your right. So that's how you arrange. Powered by your power bank right here. So it just went off. All right. And then now the monitors are being powered by the power bank instead of wasting your battery. Game changer right here, you guys. This is definitely a game changer. And on top of that, you can charge other devices while you keeping your monitors charged. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.